Do you know the vital roles your kidneys play in maintaining your overall health? Often underappreciated, these bean-shaped organs tucked away in your lower back are essential for life. They tirelessly work around the clock to ensure your body is functioning at its best. Firstly, they act as the body's master chemists. Their primary function is the filtration of blood. Imagine the kidneys as an extraordinarily intricate sieve, sifting through about 180 liters of blood daily. They filter out waste products, excess fluids, and toxins, transforming them into urine. This urine is then courteously escorted out of your body, helping you maintain a clean and healthy internal system. Secondly, the kidneys are your body's diligent water guardians. They regulate fluid balance, ensuring that your body retains the precise amount of water needed. They also balance electrolytes, those vital minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium, that conduct electricity and power your body's numerous functions. Not only that, but they also adjust your body's pH levels, keeping your body's internal environment perfectly dialed in. Thirdly, the kidneys are your body's waste management system. They are responsible for the excretion of waste products such as urea and creatinine. They also help eliminate other toxins and drugs from your body, ensuring that nothing harmful lingers for too long. Next up, the kidneys are your body's pressure regulators. They have a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by adjusting the volume of blood and the balance of electrolytes in your bloodstream. This keeps your blood pressure in check and your heart happy. Lastly, the kidneys are hormone factories. They produce hormones such as erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. They also produce renin, a hormone which helps regulate blood pressure and electrolyte balance. In a nutshell, your kidneys are multitasking superstars. They filter your blood, regulate your body's fluid balance, excrete waste products, regulate your blood pressure, and even produce hormones. They are essential for your overall well-being. So, next time you think about your health, remember to give a nod to your kidneys. They might be out of sight, but their functions are far too vital to be out of mind.